Hey y'all, it's your girl Kia Love. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're going to be making a festive side dish. It's great for holidays, it's great for everyday dinner, and more importantly, it's so simple. You don't have to put your back into it, you don't have to put no sweat into it, you don't have to put your foot into it, and it's delicious. It's the crowd pleaser. Y'all, today we're going to be making Fiesta Corn, Mexican corn, whatever you want to call it. It's delicious. We're going to jazz up the corn today, but really quick, before we get to that, in case you're wondering what hair extensions I'm rocking, this is the Raw Indian Curly from Kavani Virgin Hair. Y'all, I love these extensions. Like I've said before, I've been in the hair industry for about 15 years, and I know good hair, and this is bomb hair. But anyways, more information about that will be in the description box below. Let's get to this Fiesta Corn. Let's do a little salsa. Let's get to it, y'all. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is grab a bowl to place all of your veggies in. We're going to take 2 stalks of celery, slice them in half vertical wise, and then dice them up. Next, we're going to dice some red bell pepper, first removing the white fleshy membrane. Next, we're going to dice orange bell pepper. Next, we're going to dice a yellow or sweet onion. To add a little heat, we're going to grab a fresh jalapeno pepper, but before dicing it, you want to carefully remove the membrane and the seeds, but please do not touch them with your bare hands as they will seep through your pores and mess with your senses, so please be careful. Last but not least, we're going to finely chop some fresh cilantro leaves. Our corn is done, so now we're going to throw the corn in a big bowl and assemble and season. First, I'm going to season with a little Himalayan pink salt. Followed by half the juice of a lime. Next, I'm going to add some freshly ground black pepper. And I actually ran out of the black pepper that I was using, so I had to grab my grinder with the black pepper. Next, we're going to add chili powder, my absolute favorite seasoning for corn, especially for this dish because it's going to bring it to life and give it that Latin flair. Then I'm going to add a little garlic powder. Followed by a little onion powder. I also like to add a little fresh or dried dill, whatever I have on hand, but this is optional. Finally, we're going to add our freshly chopped veggies and herbs. You could have added the veggies to the bowl with the corn and then seasoned, so just FYI, the order does not matter. Last but not least, we're going to add nutritional yeast. This is what's going to give this dish that cheesy flavor that Mexican street corn or Fiesta corn sometimes have. It is optional, however, I highly recommend it for this recipe. Then we're going to gently mix everything to make sure everything is well blended. And after it is well mixed, we're going to do a taste test to see if we need to add any other seasonings. And I felt like it needed a little more lime, so I'm going to squeeze a little more lime juice over it. And then I'm going to remix. Now it's time for another taste test. And it's all good. Voila!